looks like we're about 25 miles from Interlaken. Shouldn't be long now. The engine. Great, so now we're a glider. I assume you practice for this sort of thing, right? I think we passed over an airport a little while back. Yes, it's right here, Lonin. And another airport, St. Stefan, is up ahead to the southeast in the valley on the other side of that ridge. Looks like we're about halfway between the two airports. I guess we can turn around or see if we can make it over the ridge. Those hills look awful big. If I remember correctly, the best glide speed in a 172 is about 65 knots. Don't bother looking at your attitude indicator or directional gyro. We lost the vacuum system when the engine stopped. It looks like we're gonna make it. Good job. I think I can breathe again.
So I'm earning that. Searching for a chick that's sweet to put a slip on her feet. Until then, I'm gonna run the streets and keep spitting these rhymes.
I can't believe you made it to the runway. I didn't even think you'd make it